Hi there, please give this video a like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. So you want to create Word documents from a Microsoft form, using Power Automate? Let me talk you through how to do that. First things first, you want to open up a normal blank Word document, and create the basic structure. In this case I just set up a simple table, but it could be structured how you wish. Next, you need to make sure developer is added to your ribbon. If it's not there, right-click the ribbon and click Customize. Here you can add developer to your ribbon. Just click to add it across from available options. After that, click Developer from your ribbon. Now it's added. After that, click Design Mode, and select where you want your first content control to be added. Then click the Plain Text Content Control field. It's important you choose plain text for it to work within Power Automate later on. You can see that's been added. You'll want to then select Properties so that when we set up the flow a bit later on, it's easy to identify where you want the text to populate. You can repeat those steps for each area you want text, like so. When you're done, just save the document as a normal Word.docs file. Okay, step 2. You need to mirror your Word document content control fields to the Microsoft form. Like so. Give the form a title you'll remember. Okay, here you can see our flow. The trigger is when a new response is submitted. You can see the form is the form we were working on just now. The next step is get response details from the form. Fairly self-explanatory. Our third step is populate a Microsoft Work template, the template we prepared earlier. In each area, you can just select Dynamic Content dropdown from the Get Response Details data. The final step is creating our new file in a location of our choice. Make sure your file name ends in .docs. You can see I've chosen another dynamic content from a previous step to title the document automatically using the person's name. Don't forget to save your flow. Okay, now let's see how this works in real life. Here we have a front-end user view, how they would see the form collect responses. Let's see if the flow ran successfully. Oh great, it did. You can see the person's name answer on the form submission has titled the doc correctly too. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the final document. I hope that was helpful. If you have any further questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.